in the Indian Premier League spot fixing case. Now, in that hearing, the Supreme Court in the last hearing had threatened to strike down the amendments of the BCCI's Rule 6.2.4, which was the main point of contention in the hearing, where BCCI officials are permitted to have stakes in the Indian Premier League. The court asked the board to satisfy the bench that Amendment 6.2.4 is legitimate, otherwise they will strike this down. This is the amendment which permitted N. Srinivasan to own the Chennai Super Kings team, raising the conflict of interest issue. And this has dominated the IPL fixing hearing till date. The bench also told the BCCI their rules do not stop the jurisdiction of the court, thus will not help the board. The court also added that the entire purpose of this exercise is to clean up cricket and ensure the game is played in a fair manner. The Supreme Court asked the board several questions related to this controversial 6.2.4 rule. The court asked the BCCI what would have happened if 6.2.4 was not there. The Supreme Court directed the board to list out all the administrators and players who have commercial interests in the Indian Premier League and the Champions League. The court has asked the board to provide a list of administrators who will be affected if clause 6.2.4 is struck down. The court has also sought details regarding the rule and questioned the board's counsel to explain why was the clause amended, what was the logic behind the earlier clause, and that no administrator should have commercial interests. The hearing resumes at 10:30. The BCCI counsel will have to come up with satisfactory replies or expect the worst.
बीसीसीआई ये कह रहा था कि हम सोसाइटी हैं, मैं अपने रूल से गवर्न होता हूं, मेरे रूल में ताक झाक करने का किसी को अधिकार नहीं है। तो कोर्ट ने कहा कि आप सोसाइटी हो लेकिन आप पब्लिक फंक्शन भी डील करते हो, तो आप 6.2.4 जो आपने अमेंडमेंट किया है उसको आप मुझे सेटिस्फाइड कीजिए, नहीं तो हो सकता था कि आपके इस अमेंडमेंट को मैं रद्द कर दूं।